Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV, where today we're diving into a full review of the all-new 2026 Geely EX5. Geely has been making waves in the compact SUV segment, and the EX5 is shaping up to be a serious contender. From its refreshed styling to modern tech and efficient performance, this SUV is designed to capture attention while remaining practical. We'll take you through every aspect of this vehicle, from the exterior design and interior features to its performance, tech, and pricing, so you can get the complete picture before making any decisions. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the front of the 2026 Geely EX5 immediately grabs attention with the bold, futuristic look. The redesigned grille is larger and more prominent than before, featuring a glossy black finish with sleek chrome accents that frame the brand's emblem in the center. The headlights are fully LED, stretching slightly into the fenders to create a wider stance. These lights aren't just for show, they provide excellent visibility during nighttime driving and include daytime running lights that enhance both style and safety. The lower bumper has a sporty touch with integrated fog lamps and subtle air intakes, giving the front a more aggressive and upscale feel. The hood flows smoothly into the windshield, creating a sense of motion even when the vehicle is stationary, which is a design language Geely has perfected across its SUV lineup. From the side, the Geely EX5 presents a clean, modern silhouette with strong character lines that add depth and visual interest. The roofline gently slopes toward the rear, giving it a slightly coupe-like profile without sacrificing headroom for passengers. The wheel arches are slightly flared, and the EX5 sits on 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim, which add to its commanding presence on the road. Chrome window trim and optional roof rails give the SUV a premium touch, while the door handles are body-colored, maintaining a sleek and cohesive look. One of the standout aspects of the side profile is how the aerodynamic design is subtly integrated with practicality, improving efficiency while maintaining a stylish stance. Moving to the back, the rear design continues the modern aesthetic seen throughout the EX5. The taillights are LED and connected by a thin light bar that stretches across the tailgate, giving the SUV a wider and more sophisticated appearance. The rear bumper is sculpted with a diffuser-like element that adds a sporty edge, while dual exhaust outlets, available on higher trims, hint at the vehicle's performance potential. The tailgate is powered, making loading and unloading cargo effortless, and the rear window has a subtle spoiler at the top, completing the sleek rear profile. Overall, the exterior of the 2026 Geely EX5 is balanced, blending elegance with a touch of sportiness that stands out in its segment. Interior. Step inside, and the interior of the Geely EX5 is a significant upgrade over its predecessor, focusing on comfort, technology, and a premium feel. The cabin is spacious, with high-quality soft-touch materials throughout the dashboard, door panels, and center console. Seats are supportive and well-cushioned, with available leather upholstery for higher trims, while the rear seats offer ample legroom for passengers, making longer journeys more comfortable. The EX5's driver-centric layout places all essential controls within easy reach. The steering wheel is multifunctional, allowing you to control audio, cruise settings, and other features without taking your hands off the wheel. One of the most impressive elements is the digital instrument cluster, which is fully customizable and displays information like speed, navigation, and performance stats in crisp, higher-resolution graphics. The center infotainment screen is large, responsive, and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Climate controls are intuitive and easy to operate, and higher trims offer dual-zone automatic climate control, a panoramic sunroof, and ambient interior lighting that elevates the cabin experience. Storage options are plentiful, with cup holders, door pockets, and a decent-sized glove compartment, ensuring the EX5 remains practical despite its stylish interior. Performance-wise, the 2026 Geely EX5 is powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter inline-4 engine, delivering around 180 horsepower and 180 pounds-feet of torque, paired with the smooth 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The powertrain offers a balanced combination of performance and efficiency, making it ideal for both city commuting and highway cruising. Acceleration is quick for a compact SUV, and the steering feels precise, offering confidence around corners. The suspension has been tuned for comfort without compromising handling, so you won't feel every bump on the road. Yet the EX5 remains composed during spirited driving. Fuel economy is competitive, with the EX5 delivering an estimated 30 miles per gallon combined, which is impressive for its class. Optional all-wheel drive provides additional traction for those who frequently encounter wet or uneven road conditions. On the tech and safety front, the EX5 is equipped with an advanced suite of driver assistance features. Standard systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Higher trims offer more advanced semi-autonomous driving features, allowing for a relaxed driving experience on highways. The infotainment system supports navigation, voice control, and multiple USB ports for connectivity, ensuring that passengers remain entertained and connected on the go. Pricing for the 2026 Geely EX5 starts at a competitive range, making it accessible for those looking for a stylish and practical compact SUV without breaking the bank. The base trim comes well equipped with essential features, while higher trims add luxury touches, advanced tech, and optional performance upgrades. This pricing strategy positions the EX5 as a value-packed alternative to some of the more expensive competitors in the segment, offering a combination of modern styling, safety, and comfort at an attractive cost. In conclusion, the 2026 Geely EX5 impresses with its bold exterior design, high-quality interior, balanced performance, and advanced technology. It's an SUV that manages to combine practicality with style, offering a compelling option for families, urban drivers, and anyone seeking a versatile compact SUV. Geely has clearly invested in making the EX5 a standout in its segment, addressing both aesthetic appeal and everyday usability. Whether you're drawn to its sharp design, spacious cabin, or modern tech, the 2026 EX5 delivers a well-rounded package. If you're in the market for a compact SUV that blends affordability, style, and functionality, the Geely EX5 is worth serious consideration. That wraps up our full review of the 2026 Geely EX5. Be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this review, subscribe for more detailed car insights, and leave a comment down below to tell us what you think about the EX5. Thanks for watching Turbo Trendz TV, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive innovation, one review at a time.